Let's learn how you can recover your Brawl Stars account. So, if you have Supercell ID, it's very easy to recover it because you just need to install game on new phone or old phone, and just there will be an option which will allow you to log in into your Supercell ID. Now, if you have forgotten your ID, you can just scroll through or search through your email or Gmail application and just type in Brawl Stars or Supercell. There should be a thing. Now, if you have forgotten everything, you can also go to help and support and message them about. Give them an information you have, at least some information about your account, and they will help you finding it and fixing it. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.